Have you cleaned your cracks lately?
Huh?
We recently got a puppy, and let me tell ya, we're constantly finding him in our cracks. You know, the ones between the stove and the counter where all the crumbs and drips and spills go. He's always trying to scrap for something, paws outstretched and his little tail in the air, which is probably why this weekend's new to Loo 2 caught my eye. Linda's Essentials stainless steel stove gap covers efficiently bridge the gap between your stove and counter, preventing crumbs, spills, and small items from falling into hard-to-reach spaces, saving you from frustrating, tedious cleaning chores. The universal stove gap guards are made of high-quality 316 stainless steel, making them corrosion and heat resistant. They've got a unique 3-spring design that prevents them from sliding around while you cook or clean, yet make it super easy to remove when you need to. Installation is simple, no tools or hardware required. You just slide it directly into the oven side gap. But before you buy, bust out that tape measure just to make sure your oven isn't longer than 24 inches, which is the length of the covers. Linda's Essentials also offers silicone oven cover guards that come in different colors if you don't want stainless steel. It's really just a preference. They both are going to get the job done, sit flush with the countertop, won't slide around, and will keep your cracks clean as a whistle. Linda's Essentials oven gap covers start at $9.99 for silicone and about $40 for the stainless steel.
For more information, check out the HouseSmarts YouTube channel. And be sure to like and subscribe.